Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so look, 28.43 up top, resistance in Globex, resistance and resistance. You got the 9-day simple. You've got the weekly pivot. So here's an hourly chart. Look, 43 was a problem last Friday. It kind of, you know, the original expansion leveled off, found resistance at 43, and then dropped back down in towards, you know, the other weekly pivot, last week's weekly pivot in 24-25 area. Down to 20, up to 43. Down to 20, up to 43, down to 20. So look, we're in a trading range between 20 and 43. That is absolutely where we have spent the week. Is somebody going to break out of this range, either down or up? I don't know. But the bears have an opportunity to break it below and go see 2,800. The bulls had all day yesterday to break above weekly pivot and go do, you know, the 20 handles on the other side of that. I mentioned in the room that there were going to be consequences if the bulls were not able to convert weekly pivot. We ended up in, you know, we had some nice long trades going from one from 33, one from 38 up into the pivot. You know, we did well. Then we got stopped out. I missed this move down between, it came up off the 43. I made the decision to go to bed, and I woke up to basically mid 20s. And at that point, you just can't chase it. That's when, you know, FOMO can start to creep into your brain. You got to just take a step back and wait, because what you'll do is you'll end up selling the lows. So we open in about 35 minutes. I'm going to wait and see what happens here. But really the whole day is about now, can the bears convert 20? Yesterday was about, can the bulls convert 43? Today is about, can the bears convert 20? So it's been a very solid start to the week for us. About 17, 18 handles. We got 3 days to go in the week. And, you know, our goal for a week is to go ahead and do 20 handles on a full position. So we're well on our way. I'll be very interested to see if the bears can get this done. And if they can, what the price implication is down around 2,800. The daily lower band comes in about 27.95. If the daily mid band, which is at 30, okay, so basically in the area of S1, if that stays sealed, then we are in a sell rallies market. That's your baseline rule. The baseline rule has been buy dips as long as we want to be above the daily mid band. If we want to be below the daily mid band, then we're sell rallies, and you trade accordingly. You can't sell a rally without a rally. So am I expecting a little bit of a pop, at least up into 30 to 32 off the open, maybe, to see if lower highs want to become lower lows? I don't think that's out of the question. If you're the bears, you don't want to be losing an area like 37. You got the daily pivot there and the hourly mid band up there. But look, a nice volatile week, a nice 20 handle trading range. Can't really complain. It's been rough at times. It's been choppy. You know, yesterday the afternoons have been choppy. Choppy afternoon. But you know, that's how it goes. So it's on the bears. Break 20, you probably get the lower band. Give it up above 30, then you've blown the daily mid band again, and you're probably looking at a move back to 43, and then the range stays intact. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out on social with some stuff. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.